Seed germination is the foundation of successful gardening. It is the process of a seed awakening from dormancy and beginning to grow. Successful germination is crucial for developing healthy and productive plants. By understanding the principles of germination, gardeners can maximize their chances of a thriving garden. Factors like moisture, temperature, and light play vital roles in triggering germination. Each plant species has evolved specific requirements for successful germination. Providing these conditions replicates the natural environment and encourages the seed to sprout. Understanding these conditions is essential for gardeners. It allows them to create the optimal environment for their chosen crops. Successfully germinated seeds lead to stronger seedlings. Strong seedlings are more resilient and better equipped to withstand transplanting. This ultimately results in healthier plants and a more bountiful harvest. Pea seeds are relatively easy to germinate, making them an excellent choice for beginner gardeners. To start, gather your materials: pea seeds, seed starting mix, small pots or seed trays, a watering can with a fine rose, and a warm, well-lit location. Begin by filling your pots or trays with seed starting mix, moistening it evenly. Next, sow your pea seeds about 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart. Water gently to avoid dislodging the seeds. Place your pots in a warm location, ideally around 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Peas prefer a sunny location, so a south-facing windowsill is ideal. Pea seeds typically germinate within 7 to 14 days. Once germinated, continue to water regularly, keeping the soil moist, but not waterlogged. A balanced organic fertilizer can be applied once the seedlings have developed their first set of true leaves. Germinating bean seeds is very similar to germinating peas. You will need the same materials: bean seeds, seed starting mix, pots or trays, a watering can, and a warm, sunny location. Plant your bean seeds about 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart in moist seed starting mix. Water gently and place in a warm location, around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Beans generally germinate within 5 to 10 days. After germination, provide consistent moisture and plenty of sunlight. Like peas, a balanced fertilizer can be used once the seedlings have their first true leaves. One key difference between beans and peas is their sensitivity to cold. Bean seedlings are more susceptible to damage from frost, so it's best to wait until after the last frost to plant them outside. Section 4. Germinating tomato seeds. Special considerations. Tomato seeds require a bit more care during germination than peas or beans. Start with tomato seeds. Seed starting mix, pots or trays, a watering can, a warm, bright location, and a heat mat, which is optional. Fill your pots or trays with seed starting mix and moisten thoroughly. Sow tomato seeds about 1/4 inch deep and 2 inches apart. Water gently and cover with a humidity dome or plastic wrap to retain moisture. Tomatoes prefer warmer temperatures for germination, around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 to 27 degrees Celsius. A heat mat placed beneath the seed trays can help maintain consistent warmth. Tomato seeds typically germinate within 7 to 10 days. Once germinated, remove the humidity dome and provide plenty of bright, indirect light. Water regularly, allowing the soil surface to dry slightly between waterings. Section 5. Conclusion. Preparation for gardening success. Mastering seed germination is an essential skill for any gardener. By understanding the specific needs of each plant species, you can provide the optimal conditions for germination and ensure healthy, productive plants. Remember to start with high-quality seeds, use appropriate soil and containers, and maintain consistent moisture, temperature, and light levels. With careful preparation and attention to detail, you can enjoy the satisfaction of nurturing your garden from seed to harvest.